Guys, today you will learn how you can improve your team's productivity using automations. Guys, we all know how important it is to keep and maintain your team's productivity. If a team is productive, you can scale your business, your startup or your company and can reach great heights. But guys, do you know that your team have to waste their crucial time and energy daily on manual repetitive tasks unnecessarily? Guys, for that we have a few automations by which you can improve your team's productivity. So let us start. So the first automation we have is for leave management and approvals. And second automation is for salary slips. Third, we have WhatsApp reminder automations. And then we have Google Apps automations. And we have file sharing automation as well. Now I'll show you one by one what will be the flow of all these automations and what are the applications we are going to use to set up these automations. So let's start. So this is our first automation and it is for leave management system. So here we are going to use Google Forms as the trigger application, Google Sheets and WhatsApp as action application inside the workflow. And here guys, you just have to create a form and share this form with your employees, and as and when your employees is going to fill this form to apply for leaves, you are going to receive the data of that applications here in a Google Sheet, and you will also receive a WhatsApp message. If you are a manager or HR, you are going to receive a WhatsApp message and for this leave application, and you just have to update this sheet, this same sheet, and you have to update the status as leave approved or leave disapproved, and after that a WhatsApp message will be automatically delivered to that employee who have applied for the leave using this Google form. So this can be automated and it will save your time and energy. So the other automation we have is automatic WhatsApp reminders from Google Calendar. Okay, so here we are connecting Google Calendars in Trigger and WhatsApp as the action application, such that you just have to create the events here in Google Calendar, and one day before the events you will get a WhatsApp message as a reminder to inform you about the upcoming events that you have to attend tomorrow. So this is going to save your time and it will keep you informed about the upcoming events that you have to attend. So let's see the another automation that we have. And other automation we have is for sending salary slips every month in PDF format automatically. So here we are connecting Google Sheets as the trigger application, Google Docs and Gmail as action applications. So guys, here you just have to add the details of your employees in Google Sheets, and after that the salary slip will be automatically created using Google Docs, and the same salary slip will be delivered as an email using Gmail application every month automatically. So you don't have to manually add the details, you don't have to manually create the salary slips, and you don't have to manually send the salary slips one by one to all of your employees. So it will save a huge amount of your time and your team's productivity will be improved. Let's see another one that we have. Okay, so this is the next automation we have, and this automation we have created with the help of Google Apps. So we have used Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Drive and WhatsApp here. So you can set up this automation for many purposes. Right now we have taken the example for sending the medical test reports to the patients. Okay, so it can be used for clinics and for hospitals. So here what you have to do, you just have to add the details of the patients here in Google Sheets, and a report will be automatically created using Google Docs, and the same report will be saved here as PDF in Google Drive, and the same report will be delivered to your patient on WhatsApp automatically. So you don't have to manually create reports one by one, you don't have to manually save the reports, and you don't have to manually type the messages and attach the reports to send to your patients. So it will save a huge amount of your time and it will easify your work. Let's see the next automation. So last but not the least, we have this. Connect your Google Drive with Slack and share files to your team. So this is file sharing automation that we have, and here you can see we have connected Google Drive as the trigger application and Slack, which is a messaging service, as the action application. So guys, here you just have to upload the files at the end of the day that you have created inside the Google Drive, and the same file will be automatically shared with your team as a message in Slack. So you don't have to manually upload the files, and you don't have to manually copy paste the same files and send to your team. So it will also going to save your time, and it will improve your team's productivity. And we are going to set up all these automations with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And you can also set up these all automations using Pabbly Connect very easily without any coding. And we have dedicated videos on all these automations that I have shown you, and we have pasted all the links in the description, so you can directly watch those videos and set up your automations yourself and improve your team's productivity.